In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Microsoft Teams chat files. While it might initially seem like a straightforward task, finding the right path to manage your digital space efficiently is crucial, and that's just what we're here to explore today. We're starting off by having you sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure you're logged in with the correct credentials connected to the workspace where the chat files you wish to delete are located. It's always a good idea to double check that you're navigating to the right account, especially if you have multiple profiles or offices. Once you're signed in, you're ready to manage your chat files. Now that you're in your Teams account, let's locate the chat files. You'll usually find these in the Files tab of your chat window. These files could be anything from old project plans to images that have been shared in conversation. Hover your mouse over the specific file you want to delete. You'll see three dots appear, which is a general symbol for more options across various platforms. Clicking on these three dots is a doorway into managing your files more effectively. Things like renaming, downloading, and of course deleting. Once you've clicked the three dots, you should see a list of options. Look for the delete option in this drop-down menu. Clicking delete will prepare the file to be removed from the chat. Here's a little heads up. Once you delete a file from the chat history, it's typically sent to the recycle bin for a certain period, depending on your organization's retention policies. So if you accidentally delete something, there might be a chance to recover it unless it's been permanently removed. It's important to note that while this method removes the visibility within your Microsoft Teams chat, the file might still exist elsewhere in your system, for example, on SharePoint or other storage solutions that are interconnected with your Teams setup. In many corporate environments, your administrators might have set up specific guidelines on file deletion and retention, so it's always good to check in with your IT department if you're unsure. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to delete Microsoft Teams chat files. This little trick will not only help you keep your chats tidy, but also ensure you're not storing unnecessary files that could clutter your digital workspace. Keeping organized digital spaces can greatly enhance productivity and help you maintain focus on current projects. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful tutorials like this one.